You better.
I have another one. Do you want to eat?
Okay, half for Gigi, half for me.
Half for Gigi, half for Mama, half for Papa.
Didn't you know, Zhiden?
Bulo, lama nang bulo, shu nang bulo, yidu nang bulo, bulo.
Look, ya. Bulo, bulo, lama lang bulo, sangyas lang bulo, chos lang bulo, gindul lang bulo, bulo. Hello everyone, Jule, namaste. So finally uploading this video. I know it's been a while. I have been filming, but honestly, finding time to sit down and edit has been so hard. Life's been busy with everything going on, but I finally got a little breather and thought, let's get this video out for you all. So here's a glimpse of what we have been up to over the past few days. I hope you enjoy it. We started with preparing for Galdan Namchot. We spent the morning cleaning the bottle lamp. She was so curious and excited to help. Mena. Good. And in the evening, we lit the bottle lamp to celebrate Galdan Namchot. Did you know Galdan Namchot celebrates Je Tsongkhapa? He is a revered Tibetan Buddhist teacher who founded the Galuk school of Buddhism. It is such an important day, marking his birth, enlightenment and parinirvana. It is also kind of like the start of the new year here in Ladakh. Such a meaningful tradition to honor. Bulo, bulo, lama lang bulo, sangyas lang bulo, chos lang bulo, gindul lang bulo, bulo.
Lama nang bulo, chu nang bulo, yidu nang bulo, bulo.
With Loesar the next day, it was just me and Zhiden this year, and I wanted to keep it simple yet meaningful. We visited one of our relatives who consecrated Avalokiteshvara statue at home. It was such a special blessing to witness something so auspicious. Later, we headed to Shey Gompa to seek blessings before leaving for Delhi. The Gompa was as serene and calming as ever. I always feel so grounded and grateful after visiting, and this time was no different. It felt like the perfect way to prepare for our journey. Back home, I got busy cooking and packing. I made cookies and tagipuli, both of which are Zhiden's favorite.
Yummy?
After dinner, she was out like a light, and I finally finished packing. It was a long, busy day, but so fulfilling. Zhiden!
पर बैचमेट पैसेंजर कृपया साथ लाए सामान को ओवरहेड बिन में भी रखें। धन्यवाद। To expedite departure, we request all the passengers to take their seats and place their hand luggage.
We finally reached Delhi. After the long journey, we were starving. With Abu and Ammo out in the market, it was just me and Zhiden. We treated ourselves to some momos, her all-time favorite. Watching her enjoy every bite was such a sweet moment. The next day, my cousin came over to meet us before we left for Nepal. It was so nice catching up and spending time together. And that wraps up the few days of our journey. From celebrating Galdan Namchot and Loesar to reaching Delhi and preparing for Nepal. Life's been a mix of traditions, blessings and a little moments with Zhiden. And I'm so happy to share it with all of you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And stay tuned because our Nepal adventures are coming up next. See you soon. Bye bye.